I just wanted to say a quick couple of words by way of introduction, because my introductory lecture is like an hour and 40 minutes long, which I agree is absurd. Just to tell you about all this stuff. So you're looking at the content section and you're like, oh my God, there's too much stuff in this class. I don't even know what to do. Let me just clarify what you actually have to do and what you can skip if you need to. I'm hoping that you read all the reading. The quizzes cover all the reading. But I know in almost every one of my classes, the number of students who actually do all the reading is really small. So you can get away with skipping something here and there. You're sort of taking a risk on the quiz, but when it comes to the essay prompts, you always get to choose what you're going to answer. So if you've read enough of the reading, the large majority say, you're going to be fine. So the reading is technically required, but we're all grown-ups, and I'm not going to know if you skip something now and again. Secondly, the notes and PowerPoints, look at those at your own discretion. They're just there to help you out. Nobody's going to know if you look at those or not either, but they definitely will help you to understand the reading and to understand where I'm going with the course and what kinds of things I have in mind for essay questions. So they're good for understanding. At the very least, you want to look at the notes probably during your quiz. That's what I would do. And when you have to write on something. Let's see what else. Movies, completely optional. Completely optional. There's no way, I'm not testing you on them at all. This is just totally if you want to do it. But then if you want to do it, you are allowed to write a summary or refer to those movies in your essay prompt. So they're not useless if you want to do them. Check out a couple, see what you think. And then lastly, the video lectures that I'm doing are going to end up being like from, I guess they're around nearly an hour to sometimes an hour and a half. So that's very time consuming, I know. Maybe you could like run it in your car and just listen if you wanted to. But again, they're optional. The way that I always run my classes is that attendance is optional. I don't take attendance because I figure, again, that we're all grown-ups and like, why should I have to monitor you? And you should have discretion to skip when you want to skip and all that. Well, so the video lectures are effectively the same thing. You don't have to look at them. Looking at them should really improve your understanding of the text and how the text fits together with other things and how a certain set of overarching themes are in fact being developed through the course, and these are the things that I ask you to write about. So again, the lectures I think should be really helpful. Maybe it's really boring to look at me forever. I mean, I imagine these sort of running in the background while you cook your dinner or take care of your kid or whatever it is. You can listen to it out of the corner of your ear. So anyway, that's it. I just want you to understand that, like, even though there's a ton of material here, you don't have to master every piece of it. Rather, the course has a certain depth, and if you really want to get into it, you can go into that depth, and there's always more to find out.